real scenario, playing games in your life, there are two consequences, victory and defeat. When it comes na ako yung maka-victory, malipayan yun ko, o worth it ang akong ipanitangit. Then, nagambit na ko akong strategy and techniques kung saan ako pag-gamit ko victory. When it comes na ako ko yung na-defeat, I can accept defeat and learn from that moment kung saan o asa ko nagkulang para sunod nga duwa I can commit achieve victory.